In the past, the problem was that leaders were making wrong diagnosis. For instance, think that tribes and religion are the most important thing to attend to. That time, initially we were in the old political parties of DP, UPC, Kabaka. By 1965, we had seen the weaknesses of those parties, and we started what eventually became NRM. From that time, we designed Uganda's problems and to some extent Africa's problems. The answers we design are normally captured in our manifestos, like the one of this term, 2025 to 2031. NRM has been able to achieve peace in Uganda for the first time in the last 500 years. Some people think that Uganda was not there before the British came, which is not correct. Economic infrastructure are the roads, electricity, the telephones, and so on. Piped water, that's part of the economic infrastructure. Infrastructure, you have seen what has happened. We're able to bring the road from Karuma all the way to Koboko. Already working on the road from Atiak, Ajumani, Laropi, Moyo, Yumbe, Koboko. Anibe one will link you directly with the national tarmac roads at Yumbe.